Hi guys, we are Virgin Hair Vietnam, and today we come back to show you some hair colors that we have customized recently for our customers. Okay, let's go! The first color I want to show you is the hair on my head. Okay, we made this wig for one of my customers in UK, and she want her hair with brown color and just a little bit blonde color. And you can see the hair, you can see the brown mixed with just a little brown color, and you can see the hair color is very nice, very unique, and very luxury. Okay, and the next color here I want to show you is coffee color. Okay, you can see the hair is very full from top to the end, and when you tap your finger through the hair, you can feel the hair is very soft, and you can see from the outside the hair is very shiny, very luster, and very strong. Okay. And a very hot color recently is purple color. Okay, I will show you right now. Okay, this is the dark purple color, and the hair on my hand is bone thread hair. Okay, can you see the color clearly? Yes, this is double drawn 30 inches here. This bone thread here. Okay. Okay, you can see the hair is very silky, very luster, and very smooth. Okay, you know the New Year's festival is coming, and we are having super sale for this season. And when you are ready to have new year for new Christmas or New Year, you can contact us via WhatsApp number on these screens, and we will have good price for you. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.